click Windows flag in left bottom. Find Computer, then right-click there. You have to choose Properties. Look left side. Click Advanced System Setting. Sorry, wait for a second. My computer in trouble. On pop-up shown, make your pointer in Advanced tab. Now, in the bottom, click Environment Variables, a new window comes. Click New, or you can edit an environment there. Fill variable name with path, and in variable value type path address where you installed Java. To see path address, open Program file in your computer. Find Java folder. Open all subfolder till bin. Now block that address, then do right-click. Choose Copy Address. Back to path setting, now paste that address in variable value. Now, just OK, then OK, and OK. You did it, guys.